Stand with your legs and hands apart, with left leg bent forward in 90 degrees and right leg behind. Body slightly twisted to a side. Raise your left hand straight up and face up looking at the hand. Place the right hand on the right side outer thigh. Balancing with the right leg, slowly bend your upper body towards the right leg. Stay for a few seconds and bring your hands back to position. Now bring your right foot forward, slightly bent, and repeat the same for the other side. Repeat the same for 3 sets. Please note that here we lean towards the side of the stretched leg. Benefits: stretches side of the torso plus arm and opens hips.